Today on Ahead of the Curve, that much heralded transition from analog to digital TV likely going to be delayed. And we're going to Vegas, baby, for the Consumer Electronics Show. We take you now to Las Vegas, home of the gigantic Consumer Electronics Show, where companies are showing off the latest and coolest technology in video, audio, home theater, gaming, you name it. Today, for example, much of the attention was focused on a product which was believed to have been extinct, the Polaroid camera. It's gone digital and now produces multiple instant prints, 2 by 3 inches in size. It'll be priced at about $200, but won't hit the market until late March or April. Polaroid is among 2,700 exhibitors at the show, and ABC's Andrea Smith is in Vegas trying to talk to them all, or at least a few.
On the show floor here at the Consumer Electronics Show, and we're here with John Lamb of Gtech, and we have a huge problem because there is water spilling all over your laptop, John.
I don't have any problem. This is a Gtech rugged computer built to military A10F specifications. It can withstand water being poured on it from all directions while being operated. It can survive a dust storm. It can be dropped. It has shock resistance, vibration resistance, you name it.
I'm shocked because when I get a call from my son saying, "Mom, I spilled water on my laptop," I panic.
I can understand that. With this one, you can spill water, you can spill coffee, and well, if he's still in college, he's probably not drinking beer yet, so probably not spilling that on it.
Now, how does this work? Why does this happen?
Well, we seal this product. This product has a magnesium alloy shell, which is what allows it to be dropped, shock resistant, vibration resistant. The hard drive is mounted in a shock resistant casing, and it is completely sealed. So it allows it to have the water hitting it without there being a problem.
Now, why would somebody want this, aside from the obvious oops factor?
Well, we have the bulk of our customers are going to be military, transportation, utilities, police cars, law enforcement. They're very hard on products, and whenever you're driving around and you're going over speed bumps at 40 miles an hour, you're going to have an impact. And they can't afford to have their computer go down because you're talking about life and death situations.
So you can literally drop this from a certain number of feet and it will survive?
Absolutely. You can take it, you can basically fall off a desk, drop to the ground, and you open it up and your computer's still working.
What is it that protects it?
Well, it's the shell, it's the way it's, obviously we have gaskets, things are sealed from all different areas. The keyboard has a rubber lining underneath it, gaskets on all platforms. You've got the magnesium alloy shell, you've got the way that the hinges are designed, everything. There's a ton of engineering that goes into this model.
And can you buy them in the same makeups and flavors of regular laptops, different sizes and configurations?
Generally it goes by screen size and the different types of flexibility. So there are different models. Some convert from laptop to tablet, depending on what somebody might need. This one's available, as you see it here, it's a 13.3-inch model.
Okay, and price range?
Generally starting about $3,000, and it can go up depending on how you configure. You can add on 3G wireless, you can add on night vision, in case you happen to be in the military or happen to need to use stuff at night. You can add on salt fog if you're on a Coast Guard cutter. There's so many different ways you can custom configure this.
Okay, the price of keeping your laptop safe and sound, priceless. This is an awfully nice plant in the middle of the Consumer Electronics Show, but I don't know, it looks like it's not doing so well. Let's find out what's wrong with it. We're going to put this EasyBloom plant sensor in it, and we're going to plant it, and we're going to leave it here for about 24 hours, and technology is going to work its magic. Then you take the plant sensor out, you separate it, and look at that. Just like everything else in this world today, it has a USB port on it. Put it in your computer, and after you register with EasyBloom, it will go online and diagnose and tell you. Maybe your plant is getting a little bit too much water, or maybe it's not getting enough sunlight, and it'll let you know what's wrong. The other thing you can do here is, if say you have a garden and you're not sure what to plant in your garden, you take the EasyBloom outside and plant this. It's not going to look great, it's going to look like a plastic plant. Leave it outside, it measures temperature, it measures humidity, it measures sunlight. After it's been out there, bring it inside, again, put it in your computer, and